Hello, everybody. This is just a short, hopefully a short video, explaining the spellings in Irish this week. We're going to go through all the consonants before the end of the year, so that hopefully moving forward onto other years, it'll help with their Irish spellings and reading and so forth. So this week we're doing three consonants, which are B, V, and M. I'll go through those in a second and a few spellings based on them. But just to say again that in Irish, every consonant has two sounds. So it has a sound base if it's beside a slender vowel, and it has a sound if it's beside a broad vowel. And that makes a big difference to the way it's pronounced. There's quite a problem in Irish with, and I'm as guilty as everyone, but we tend to pronounce, because we're Irish ourselves, we tend to pronounce the consonants as we say them in English, and they're entirely different sounds. In general, the English sound is in the middle, and then one of the Irish sounds, the broad one, will be on one side, and the slender one will be on the other. So the reason I've chosen B, V, and M to start with is, and I apologize for the very nerdy explanation, but this is your mouth. Here we go. There are your teeth. There are your lips. That's your tongue. This is the top of your mouth. So all these sounds are bilabial. So you make them just using your lips. You use your two lips, no teeth. And the the slender sounds are palatalized, which it's a sound that doesn't really exist in English, but it's in Latin, it's in Russian, it's in Polish, it's in most of the Slavic languages. It's in many other languages, just not English, which makes it difficult for our ears to hear it because we're not used to them. So it basically means that your tongue at some point in making the sound is touching the hard palate, which is the roof of your mouth, the bony bit, not the soft bit behind it, but the bony bit at the top of your mouth. Okay, hopefully that's enough. I'll go through the spellings now. Okay, so the first one. So all the spellings this week are based on those three letters and the vowels we've covered already. So the first one is B, and if it's beside slender, you have to palatalize it. So you have to use the hard palate. So you basically, so it's a B in English, which is in the middle. If it's slender beside an I or an E, you basically grimace. I'm exaggerating, obviously, but you pull back your lips straight, so you're grimacing like you're being forced to smile. And the roof of your mouth, your tongue touches the hard roof of your mouth. So it's B, B, B. You're only making the sound with your teeth. And if it is broad, so B for English is in the middle, it's the other side. So you basically make the same sound, but just fill your mouth with more air. So it's B, B. And it'll become more apparent in the actual spellings. The next word is, or the next letter is M. So in English, beside a slender vowel in Irish, again, grimace, straight mouth, tongue touching the back of your mouth. It's So English, slender, and then the broad, fill your mouth with air, and mo. So, sorry. English, slender, and broad, Three different sounds. It's easier with the words, but just to let you know, the last one is V. But it's going to take two videos because I'm only allowed to record 5 minutes. So quickly, V is, in English, you use your teeth and your lips. So it's a V. It's not that sound. It has to be the two lips in Irish. So the slender one, I'll cover it in the next video. Okay, welcome back. So V, as we said, 3 sounds in English. Your teeth and lips are used, so it's V. In Irish, no teeth are used, it's just your lips. So the slender one, grimace again, and V, V. And then the broad one, fill your mouth more with air. V, V, V. So V, slender, grimace, V, and then broad, fill it with air. V, V. 3, I hope you can hear these differences. If not, the spellings will hopefully answer it. So I'll quickly go through those because I know this is taking a lot longer than I had intended and you were willing to watch. So all these words, the 10 spellings are real words using just the letters that we've covered. And the last 2 are, they're not real words. We're just going to cover the sounds of them because we haven't done enough letters to have V words yet. Okay, so first one. V, I, V, E. Bibe. Sounds like you're a farmer from Connemara somewhere, but that's the way Irish is supposed to be spoken. So, bibe or bibe, bibe. Okay. The next one, bo, bo, bo. The next one, where's my hand? Sorry. Because it's broad, it's fill your mouth with air. Mo, mo. The next one, it's broad again, fill your mouth with air. Maw, maw. The next one, slender, so grimace, and it's meme, meme. Sorry, I'll hold it up here so you can see my mouth and the word. Meme, meme. Okay, there are those words. Next one, probably most of you are familiar with. It is grimace because it's slender. So B, B, B. The next one, it's all broad. So it's bombo, bombo, bombo. The next one, slender again. So it's, grimace and A. They. Next one, these are the fictitious words just to give you the V sounds. So remember, no teeth, just your lip. It's slender, so grimace. The. And then the last one, it's broad, so fill your mouth with air. Vaw. With the V's, it's very important you don't use your teeth or it sounds like a V in English. Okay, that is all the spellings. I hope that was of benefit. If not, I don't know. I don't know. Right. Have a nice evening and hopefully that helps. Slán.